take them down and take them down and take them down, take them down, take them down and take them down and take them down. As you look, the whole room explode down and as you look, the whole room explode down and
My name is Amir Shevat. I'm a developer relations at Google. And this is the best image. Probably some of you know this image. This is the best image that represents what I do in Google. Do you know this guy? Do you know why he's doing this? Live long and prosper. What it has a different meaning for Jews. If you're Jewish and you go to the synagogue, this is Birkat HaKohanim, one of the prayers in the synagogue. And this guy actually went to the synagogue with my grandfather. And when he went to the synagogue, he went and he saw the priests behind in the synagogue, and they saw them do like this. This is Shaddai Birkat HaKohanim. And he thought that it's really alien. So when he was asked to do an alien gesture in Star Trek, he produced that sign. So that's me. I'm Live Long and Prosper. We're ambassadors between Google. We work in the engineering of Google, and we connect between Google and startups and developers. You want me to talk? Okay. So we connect between startups. Can you hear me? Okay. So we connect between startups and developers in Israel. So do you know the sign TLDR? Too long, didn't read. So if you want to fall asleep right now, this is the only thing that's going to be in the test at the end of the event. So what is campus? Campus is all about a place to meet other developers, other entrepreneurs, a place where we have about, now we run about 11 events or 12 events every week about development, about AngularJS. We had an event yesterday we had WordPress event. So any event you'd like to have, you can have there. Hackspace and a device library. And a launchpad, which is a very unique, like this. Wow, I can hear myself really hard. Okay, so the launchpad is a pre-incubator program, which we're going to talk about in a second. So this is the event space. If you come tonight to the party, this is what you're going to see. We have, we talk. I had hair before this started. And we spent 2 years, a year and a half talking to every entrepreneur, every VC, every angel, asking them, how can we make the Israeli market better? And we got a lot of ideas. And at the end of analyzing all this data, we decided to do three things. One of them is a big event space, which you can see here. So we have two event spaces, actually, one with a 160 or 150 capacity, and the other one with a 50 capacity. Each and every one of you can open an event in campus. You just go to campustelaviv.com and you open an event, okay? So it's a self-service portal. You go in, you open an event, any one. We don't do weddings. I'm sorry. But if you have any entrepreneurial or technology event you want to run, if you want to see what events we have every day, you just go to that site and that's it. The second pain we saw in the market is around devices. You know that each and every one of you are now either having a second screen experience, so looking at this screen, but also having a phone in your hand. You know what's the most popular app in tablets and iPads? The browser. So everybody's surfing on a tablet. Everybody, and most of you, when you test your web application, when you test anything, you test it on a PC. But users are moving to tablets and phones. So there's a big challenge here that every site and every application needs to have multiple form factors. For that reason, we opened a Teivat Noach, a Noah's Ark, for devices. We went and bought 2 of each devices, We have iPhones, we have iPads, we have Android tablets, we have Android phones. Nobody asks for Windows mobile, but if you'll ask, maybe we'll buy. It's a really open platform, and if you wanna go and test your app, you're welcome to come to campus, and we have dedicated hours. Talk to me after that, and we have dedicated hours where you can come and test and work on your app and website on multiple devices. We also have UX experts from time to time come and dedicate their 20%, come and work with you on our devices. So if you want to have different user experience on your mobile, on your PC, and on your tablets, we have the guys who can help you do that. The third program is called the Launchpad. This is really interesting because this is a unique program developed in Google only for the Israeli market. Okay? We developed this specifically for the needs of the Israeli market. We analyzed the market and we saw that there are about 10 to 15 incubators in Israel. And there's a lot of innovation, and we wanted to invest in that, and we want to help the startups through the incubation process. You know that many startups go through the incubation process but don't succeed. So we analyze what Google can give startups to improve the statistics, okay? To work with startups to make entrepreneurs more informed about the startup process. So this is what we do. Before you go to the everybody here knows the junction? Who knows the junction? Who knows IDC elevator or the... Okay, so these are all incubators in the market. Hey, Dan, how are you? So these are all incubators in the market. And what we do is before you go to these incubators, 2 weeks before you join the incubator, you come to campus. You come to Google, and we work with you on what Google does best and could help startups. So first of all, we do mentorship. We provide Googlers. Do you know about the 20%? In Google, you can do that. There's your 80%, what your day job, and you also have a 20%. You can contribute 1 day a week to do something else. For example, that's how Gmail was developed. One developer said, "Yeah, email could be better." So great things happen with these 20%. We have about 50 Googlers contributing their 20% to startups in Israel. And they come from all over the world. So we have a mentorship. We have user experience guys. So each startup gets a user experience guy for 2 days, helping them provide an amazing user experience and understanding the users. We saw that this is a major thing about creating successful entrepreneurs is to understand your users. Okay. We also do technology training. We have Ido Green, which is going to speak after me. He mentors startups about technology. We have people from Android team coming next month to work with startups. So there's a lot of technology there. Marketing, we have Google marketing guys doing marketing review with these startups. So this is really amazing. And for every Googler we bring, we also bring an expert from the outside. So we have people like Yaakov Greenspan, we have people like Donna Abrams work with startups on their pitch, on their user experience, on their marketing, on their technology.
What do you mean by dev?
Dev by mentoring is you come in, you say what you want to do in your startup, and then you regret being an entrepreneur for the rest of your life. So every assumption you have, you need to prove it, or you're questioned. It's like going to 10 VC meetings in 1 day. So we have venture capital and angels come, and there's a panel of them. It's like Krishim on steroids, okay? And then at the end of the 2 weeks, we usually do a pitch, and we bring other people, so you get traction, we talk about you, we help you. So it's a good program. So these are the 3 pillars of campus. There's an event space, everyone can participate there. There's a device library and hack space. We have Open Knesset come and do a hackathon every week. We had Games IL, the game jam last week. You can have hackathons there, you can have events there. You're welcome to come to campus. Thank you.
Thank you.